Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp25 Access Chapter 2 Cumulative Metropolitan Zoo. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Engage, My IT Lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix framework, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's assessment and go through it step by step. There are total 14 questions of this assessment. Let me zoom this. Here is the title of assignment: Exp25 Access Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Metropolitan Zoo. Here is a project description. As you can see that the Metropolitan Zoo tracks its animal data in Excel. The organization decides to use a database to organize the data about the animals, their trainers, and the animal exhibits. In this project, you will open an existing database and create a new table. You will import an Excel file containing information about the animals and query the database to determine which animals need a checkup. You will also create a few single table queries. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start access, open the downloaded access file name exp25 chapter 2 cumulative assessment zoo. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are storing your files. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp25 access chapter 2 cumulative assessment zoo from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from Pearson My IT Lab dashboard. Here is the file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: create a new table in the design view. Add the field name exhibit ID with the auto number data type. Add the caption exhibit ID. Set the exhibit ID field as the primary key for the table. Save the table and use the name exhibits. Basically, in this question, you will have to create a new table. The first part of this question is create a new table in the design view. Go to the file, then click on create button. Go to the tables group, then click on table design. The next part is add the field name exhibit ID with auto number data type. Now you will have to add this as a field name exhibit ID, then select the auto number, this one. And the next part is add the caption exhibit ID. Now you will have to add this exhibit ID as a caption. Copy this, click on this field name, then go to the caption text field, this one, click on this and then paste it exhibit ID. The next part is set the exhibit ID field as the primary key for the table. Now you will have to set exhibit ID as a primary key for the table. Now you will have to select this field exhibit ID, then go to the table design tab, then go to the tools group, click on the primary key button to set exhibit ID as a primary key. Then save the table using the name exhibits. Now you will have to save this table and use this name. Copy this and the table, right click on this, save, and the table name is exhibits. Then press OK button to create this table. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is add the following fields and set their field properties as shown. Here are the field, data type, field size, property, caption are here. Now you will have to create fields. First is exhibit name. Copy this. Exhibit name and the short text and the field size property 15. Short text, field size property. Click on this field size button. Set 15. And the caption is exhibit name. Copy this. And the caption property you will have to add this exhibit name. And the next field is accuracy. Copy this and then paste it. And choose the data type number. Choose data type number. Select the number. And the next is field size property integer. Click on field name this and click on this field size. In the drop down we'll have to select the integer. Select integer. And the caption are none. The next is initial cost. We will have to add the next field, initial cost. Initial cost. Then the data type is currency. Now you will have to select the data type currency. Select this one. No changes. And the caption you will have to add initial cost. You will have to add the caption initial cost. Then go to the caption field and paste it. Initial cost. And the next field is yearly cost. You will have to add a new field, yearly cost. And data type currency. Select the currency. And the caption is yearly cost. Copy this. Select this field, yearly cost, and the caption field you will have to paste this yearly cost. And the next field is date opened. You will have to add a new field, date opened. Select the data type date and time. You will have to select date and time data type. And the caption is date opened. Now you will have to select this field, and the caption field you will have to add date opened. Question number 3 are done now. Now we will move to the next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is switch to datasheet view and save the table. Add the following records letting access assign the exhibit ID. First part is switch to datasheet view and save the table. Then go to the table design tab, then go to the views, then click on this button to go to the datasheet view. We will have to save this table and add the following records letting access assign the exhibit ID. Now you will have to add these records in this table. First you will have to copy the name Asia, in the exhibit name field Asia, then increase R2, set 2, then copy this initial cost and the yearly cost. Copy this, paste this cost, yearly cost, and the open date is, select this day, copy, and opened, yes, and the Ch02, yes, and the next record is Africa. Countries are 4, 4, then copy this initial cost, then the yearly cost, and show that yes, check this box, yes, and the next part is and the next part is close this table, right click on this, then click on close button to close this. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is import the downloaded zoo workbook as a new table in the current database using the import spreadsheet wizard. Specify that the first row contains the column heading, set the animal ID field to be indexed with no duplicates, and set the animal ID field as the primary key. Then import the table with the name animals and do not save the import step. Basically, in this question, you will have to import the downloaded zoo file workbook as a new table in the current database. Now you will have to import the file. Click on the external data tab, then go to the import and link group. Click on new data source, click on from file, then click on Excel, click on browse button. Where is file are stored on the desktop. Zoo, click on this file and open this one using the import spreadsheet wizard. Using the import spreadsheet wizard, this one, then press OK. Specify that the first row contain the column heading. This part, the first row contain the column heading. As you can see that here are the headings: animal ID, animal type, weight, diet, origin, and the next part is set the animal ID field to be indexed with no duplicates. Then click on next button. As you can see that first row contain the column headings, animal ID field with then select go to the indexed text field, then click yes, no duplicates. Set the animal ID field to be indexed with no duplicates. And set the animal ID as a primary key. Now you will have to set the animal ID as the primary key. Click on choose my own primary key animal ID, and the next part is import the table with the name animals, and do not save the import steps. Import table animals and click on finish button, then close this. As you can see that the animal table are now imported in this section. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is that question number 6 is view the animal table in the design view and change the field size for the animal ID field to long integer. Then change the field size for the exhibit ID and trainer ID field to the long integer. Save the table. Click yes in the dialog box indicating that the some data may be lost. Then close the table. The first part of this question is view the animal table in the design view. Now you will have to animal table in the design view. Select this table animals, then right click on this and click on design view and change the field size for the animal ID field to long integer. Now you will have to change the field size for the animal ID field to long integer. First we select the animal ID, then the field size is long integer. Click on this drop down, then select the long integer, and the next part is change the field size for the exhibit ID and trainer ID field to long integer. Now you will have to change the field size for the exhibit ID and trainer ID to long integer. Exhibit ID, first we select the exhibit ID and the field size choose long integer and the trainer ID field to long integer first, and then select trainer ID, then click on this field size, click on this drop down to select long integer, then save the table. Click on this, right click on this animal, then save this. Okay, then the last is close the table. Right click on this, then close this table. Question number 6 are completed. We have now completed 6 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.